Greetings Internet and welcome to my channel. Today I have a special assignment with you. Guess what? I would like to cook the rabbit. In the previous episode of my video, I took you to the farm where I went to fetch and procure the rabbits. So I brought the rabbit, kept them in the freezer, and today I want to try cook the rabbit. The rabbit that I was saved, when I visited a friend, it tasted so nice, and I asked him actually to share with me his recipe. And all what I want to do is to try his recipe. And I hope that my rabbit too would also come in the same way, nice as it was. So I want to try it out today. Cook the rabbit. So there are a few ingredients that I do not have right up now. So I have to go and get them from the grocery store. So I hope that you join me to go and get those ingredients today. So join me as I go to get those ingredients so that when I'm back, we can cook the rabbit. Yes, so join me. At this time, I had just come back from the grocery store. The purchasing of the ingredients is over and the cooking is going on. Wow, it looks so delicious and so nice. And so to make sure that the ingredients get soaked into the meat, I had to scoop around the soup. Wow. So it wasn't just enough for the rabbit meat, but the potatoes too to be cooked side by side. What a wonderful meal. So friends, the shopping went on very well. I had a list of things that I needed to get in order that I follow the recipe that I was given. So I had to make sure that I buy butter, I have black pepper, bay leaves, good sizable onions, and I also had to make sure that I get vinegar. In this case, I think vinegar was a little bit an option for me because this is a domestic rabbit as opposed to a wild one. And so I think this was enough for me to at least get much closer to the recipe that I was given. So I enjoyed my shopping as well. It was a small shopping, but I also had to make sure that I get some of the things that we are missing home for home consumption, not just dedicated toward the preparation of my rabbit meal. So it was kind of fun, and I had a special camera person to shoot that shopping, so I enjoyed my time. So the process of making my rabbit meal was not all that difficult. So I started with adding on to the butter to the pan, heated it, then I had to get the pieces of the rabbit and put it in the pan and fry them, not on intense heat, but at least on medium heat, so that I could get that golden brownish on them. So I kept on turning them over and over until to a level that I see this is very good to my looking and my liking. And I added a little bit of some salt, of course, and I took them off. Then I had to fry the onions and the bay leaves together, and added a little bit of some pepper too, and fried it to a level that it was, tasting good. So once that was done, I had to take back the pieces of the rabbit onto the fire, into the pan on the fire, and added a little bit of some water. So I had to make sure that the water doesn't flood, but also it doesn't burn the pieces themselves. So I did that over, I think about the first batch was 25 minutes. Then I had to add a bit of some water again, then turn them again, then do another 25 minutes. And it went on like that. I enjoyed the cooking, and so when everything was done, I had now to add the cornstarch. I was supposed to add cornstarch, but in this case, I had to improvise with the water from the potatoes that I also cooked, so that I can serve together with the gravy. So I used that to make very rich, tastier gravy, and that was it all for me. Quite very simple. It was a trial one. I am curious to test and make a match with what I was served before, but I think that I nailed it, and I enjoyed it. So I hope that you can come and join me. Please don't forget to leave a comment down there. Let me hear what your comments are on my recipe and the cooking itself. So I will be serving my rabbit with potatoes as part of my main dish and my dinner for tonight. So friends, thanks for watching. I will now end this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friend, like, and don't forget to hit the subscription bell. So guys, my meal is ready now. I have a rabbit piece here, served with potatoes, boiled potatoes in that case, and that cook with me here. So let's try it together and see how it tastes. Yeah, tastes nice. I nailed it. Very nice. If you've not tasted rabbit meat, please try it out. Maybe try my recipe I shared with you. Very, very nice. I'm enjoying my dinner here. So nice. So, thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye. With a piece of rabbit meat here. So nice. From me to you is peace to the world. See you in the next video. Thank you so very, very much. Bye.